South Stacks, Anglesey. Oh, it's an island. Oh yes, yes, and dogs aren't allowed on it. Oh yes, well. Oh my goodness, vertigo. Oh, oh no, 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 no. Ozzy! Oh, don't do that. I'm frightened, never mind you. Oh, it's a... Ozzy, come here. I can't tell you, oh no, I've dropped you over the cliff. Oh dear, dear. Oh, it's a little bit vertigo. Don't let the dogs see you doing some stupid things or they'll copy you. I'm trying to see the birds. There's birds down there. Keep away from the edge. Where's the birds? I saw some birds there. There's more birds in the books in the shop than on this cliff. Oh, there's an awful lot of noise down there. What's that? What am I catching? What's that? That's some kind of birds. Well, you may have to make you fall in. Are those birds? Oh, keep away from the edge of the cliff, dog. Oh yes. Ozzy, get away. Look, I can't go there if you're going to keep... Yeah, they're little black. Those specks, they look like mussels attached to the rock, but they're actually a load of small birds, whatever they are. Those are seagulls, the big white things with the greyish wings, but the little things, I don't know what they are. Well, at last I've seen some birds at South Stacks, eh? Last time we came with Freya. Well, there was so much noise of people, you couldn't hear the birds. What's that water sound? It's the sea. Well, there you go. Anyway, we've done it. I don't think I'd want to get too close to the edge. No. Oh, it's not that bad. It's just, it's quite a sheer drop. And everyone's so used to health and safety today. One expects to have, barriers and things that grab you even. Wait for the AI to invent things that grab you when you try and stand on the edge of things to have a look. Oh dear, I don't think I'm going to stand on that edge. No. That's quite enough standing on edges. Oh no. Right, this is South Stacks, south west of Anglesey, which is the outermost point of Cymraeg, Wales. The Romans and everyone had Paulinus had a lot of trouble subduing the Druids here, and that's how Bodorgan, while he was distracted with the Anglesey people, which were Mona, oh yes, anyway, right, well, this is quite a nice part. We've just been to Rspb beach. That was yesterday. Yes, and all sorts of Bryn, Kelly, burial ground and stuff like that. Right, am I on this video? What about me? Ah.